Welcome to UT WordPress Basic Training video series. This is the fourth video in the series. This is Pages Part 2, picking up where Pages Part 1 left off. We created a page called Graduate Program. We have content, an image, a PDF, and hyperlink text. The next thing we need to do is to assign the meta information for the page as well as publish it. The first area that I will go over is page attributes. You will need to set the parent for your page. If it is a top-level page, you will not have a parent. You will leave it as no parent. This page, Graduate Program, does have a parent. Its parent page is the overarching Programs page. This page right now is using the default template. That means, as shown in the first video of this series, the sidebar is to the right of the main content area. There is a left sidebar template. This moves the sidebar to the left side of the main content area, and there is a no sidebar template. This removes the sidebar entirely. I will go ahead and select the no sidebar template. The next box is featured image. When you set a featured image on pages, it will display a full width image at the top of your page. This can be a very inviting visual feature. So I will set the featured image. Note that it will crop from the top left corner of the image. So for featured images, you want to have an area that focuses within the top third of the page. This image of the penguins is a great example. I will select the penguin image and click Set Featured Image button. The last thing that I need to do is to publish this page. I can save the draft and continue to work on it later. I can preview the page and see what it looks like before I publish it. I can change the status of the page. For example, after I publish the page, I could edit the status and set it back to draft. Visibility is public. That means everyone can see it. If you password protect your page, you will need to assign a password to your page, and only people with the password will be allowed to view the page. Or you could set it to private, which means that only people who have a login to the back end of your website will be able to view the page. In most cases, we'll leave this as public. The last element of this information is the publish date. You can change this date to the future, or you can change this date to the past. It's up to you. So then, now that I have all of the information that my page needs, title, copy, meta information, visually interesting components, I will go ahead and publish my page. I highly recommend that you preview your page anytime you create a new one or make an edit before you publish them. Now that our page has been published, I will go ahead and view the page. You can see here is that featured image with the focal point happening in the top third, so it's a great selection for this page. Here is the page's title, as well as all of the content that we pasted in from Microsoft Word. You'll notice that there is no right-hand sidebar because we used the no sidebar template. Here's our image, as well as the caption that we assigned to that image. And then finally, I would like to show in the URL, you will notice that the page parent has been correctly placed to show the hierarchy of your page.